Hi, Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty, and this is your January 2023 Canmore Real Estate Market Update. Finally, I think we're back to a normalized market, and I'll get into that in just a few minutes. But we had 21 sales in total for January with an average sale price of just over $1.1 million. Properties were sitting on the market for about 85 days, so that day on market is starting to climb a little higher again now, back to, again, what I consider a normalized market. It's still under that 90-day threshold. And the properties were selling at about 96.5% of the list price. So 21 sales, not a bad month for a normalized January, very different to what we were seeing in the pandemic. And as I said, I'll get into that in a little while. So how did those 21 sales break down? Well, we had 3 single family homes sell, and the average price of those single family homes was $2 million or $665 a square foot. And they were staying on the market on average for about 92 days. We had 4 half duplexes sell. They sold on average for about $1.6 million, which was $644 a square foot. And they were on the market on average for about 147 days, so they were staying on the market a little bit longer. Townhomes, we had 3 sales at right around $1 million as an average sale price, or $576 per square foot. And they were on average on the market for about 70 days. Apartments, we had 6 apartments sell on average sale price of $733,000 or $630 a square foot, and they were on the market for about 73 days. Hotel condos, we only had 3 hotel condos sell in the last month, mainly due to the lack of inventory in that market segment. They on average sold for $426,000 or $733 a square foot, and they were only on the market for about 6 days, so still selling quickly in that market segment. Tourist homes, we had 2 sales at just over $1 million per listing, and they were averaged out at about $893 per square foot and were on the market for just 91 days. So how does that look? How does January look compared to the last few years? Well, if we compare it just to 2021 and 2022, it's significantly down. 2022, we had 52 sales in January, so we're down about 22%, 22.5% in sales volume. And in 2021, we had 72 sales. So we're just starting now to see how crazy those pandemic years were for sales in the beginning of the year at least, and it'll be interesting to see how we compare those as we move through 2023. If we look back further, if we go back to 2017, 2018, 2019, we can see that in 2017 we had 27 sales in January, 2018 we had 30 sales in January, 2019 we had 24 sales in January, and even in 2020 we had 21 sales. And so January 2023 really is kind of normalizing out to what I would consider a normal market for us in Canmore for sales at this time of year. The average price point, if we look at the average square foot price from this year to last year, the average square foot price in January for 2022 was $766 a square foot. In 2023, that average square foot price is down to $670 per square foot. So it's down about 22.5%. The average sale price last year in January was $904,000, and the average sale price for January 2023 was $1.111 million. So the average sale price year over year is up about 18.5%, but that's really more due to the sales mixes in the months of January, I think. So the square footage price is probably a better indicator of where prices have gone year over year. As we move into February, we've got 71 active listings right now. We've got about 16 sales already for the month. So I think February will surpass the January sales figure. We're starting to see more inventory come onto the market, which is great. And I think that'll continue to pick up as we move towards the end of February and into March, when our real spring market typically starts to happen. As always, if you've got any questions about the Canmore real estate market, or if you need any information about buying or selling in Canmore, please reach out to me. My information is just below. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.